Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna solve exercise 8.3 question number 2. So let's start it. Okay. So here we have question number 2. First question number 2 was the first 1048 degree plus 1023 degree 1042 degree into 1067 degree is equals to 1. Okay, we have to prove it. So it's very easy. Okay, so first of all, we already know the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, so we already know the relations. Which relations? Let me remind you which relations we already know. Okay, so we already know that sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta, right? Similarly, cos 90 minus theta is equals to sine theta. Okay, we already learned it in our last session. Okay, but let me remind you once again that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, and similarly tan 90 minus theta is also equals to cot theta, right? And similarly for cot 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta. Okay, so that's the relations we're gonna use in the use to solve these questions. Okay, so first of all, let me solve the first question here. Okay, so in first question we have 1048 degree and 1042 degree, right? So here we see that 48 degree plus 42 degree equals to 90 degree. So we can easily use the formula, which is trigonometric ratios of complementary angle to this. Okay, similarly here we have 1023 degree and 1067 degree. Okay, and the sum of 23 degree and 67 degree equals to 90 degree. So we apply same here. Okay, for these two trigonometric ratios. Okay, so let me write it aside. Okay, so we first use 1048 degree and 1042 degree. Okay, into we use 1023 degree and 1067 degree. Okay, that's it. Now we already know, let me name this equation as equation number 1. Okay, so now that we already know a relation, okay, which relation? That 1090 minus theta is equals to cot theta, right? Cot theta. So we can also write it as 10 theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta, right? Similarly, here we have the value of theta here 48 degree, right? So we just put it here, 1048 degree equals to cot 90 minus theta, which is equals to 90 minus 48 degree, right? So here we have cot 90 minus 48, which is equals to 42 degree, right? So here we have 42 degree. So we have 1048 degree equals to cot 42 degree. Okay, that's the equation number A. Okay, equation number A. Similarly, we can also find that 1023 degree equals to cot 67 degree. Okay, similarly name this equation as equation equation B. Okay, That's it. Now just put the values of equation A and equation B in equation 1. Okay, now putting the values of equation A and equation B in 1, we get our result, okay, which is as following. So here we can write here we have 1048 degree, right? So we can write 1048 degree is equals to cot 42 degree. So we can write cot 42 degree here, cot 42 degree. Now we have 1042 degree. Just write 1042 degree, 1042 degree, right? Now we just have 1023 degree, okay, which is equals to 1023 degree, which is equals to cot 67 degree, okay, sir. So we can write cot 67 degree multiplied by 1067 degree, okay. So we can write 1067 degree, okay, that's it. Now just remember that this cot and tan both are inverse functions, okay. So if we have two inverse function multiplied by each other, then the value will be 1. So the value of cot 42 degree into tan 42 degree is 1. Similarly, the value of cot 67 degree multiplied by tan 67 degree will be also 1. So, and 1 will be 1 will be 1. Okay. So that's our proof. Okay. So let me do it for this second one. The second question. Okay. So here we have a minus sign in between these two, okay, and we have to prove that this is equals to 0, okay. We can do this question in two manner, okay. First, we just do the same as we do in question number 1, okay, or we can just modify this equation like this: cos 38 degree cos 52 degree equals to, here the minus sign and comes to the other side, then it will be plus, so it gives us sine 38 degree cos sine 52 degree, right? That's it. And now just do the same as we do in question number 1, okay. So we can do either way. We just do this kind of question, okay, because we already studied the first method in first question, okay. So we just do it in another manner, okay. So we just have to prove that these two are equal, okay. The multiplication of cos 38 degree and cos 52 degree equals to the multiplication of sine 38 degree and sine 52 degree, okay. That's it. Now if we look at the angles here, if we look at these angles, then 38 degree plus 52 degree, which equals to 90 degree, okay. So these two angles are complementary angles of each other, okay. Now similarly here, 38 degree and 52 degree, these two angles are also complementary angles of each other, because the sum of these angles are 90 degree. So we just apply the trigonometric ratios for trigonometric ratios for complementary angles, okay, which we have the formula here: sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta, okay. So here we have cos, okay, so we just apply the formula of cos here: cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta, okay. Let's do this, okay. So cos 38, okay, first of all name this equation as equation 1, okay. Now we already have the formula that cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta, right? Okay. So similarly for cos 38, the theta is equals to 38. So we just put the value here: cos 38 degree is equals to sine 90 minus 38 degree, right? Okay. And we already know that 90 minus 38 degree is 52 degree. Okay. So we can write it as cos 38 degree is equals to sine 52 degree. Okay. That's it. Now name this equation as equation A. Similarly, we can also prove for sine. Okay, so here we can also similarly sine 38 degree equals to cos 52 degree, right? Name this equation as equation B. Now by just putting the values of equation A and equation B in equation 1, now by putting the values of equation A and B in equation 1, we have what we have? We have our solution. Okay. Okay. Now let's just put the values here and see what we have. Okay. So by putting the values, cos 38 degree is equals to sin 52 degree. So we just put here cos 38 degree with replace the cos 38 degree with sin 52 degree. So it became sin 52 degree multiplied by cos 52 degree. Okay, cos 52 degree equals to, we have sin 38 degree. Okay, and we already know from equation B that sin 38 degree is equals to cos 52 degree. Just replace it by cos 52 degree. Okay, and this sin 52 degree as it is, sin 52 degree as it is. Now if we look at this equation carefully, we have on left hand side sin 52 degree and cos 52 degree. Okay, and if we look at the other way, on right hand side we have cos 52 degree and sin 52 degree. Okay, so values are same. Okay, and we already know that commutative law is holds for multiplication. Okay, so we can also write it as sin 52 degree cos 52 degree is equals to sin 52 degree cos 52 degree. Okay, so here we have sin 52 degree cos 52 degree, which is equals to sin 52 degree cos 52. So this will this equation is right. Okay, because the values of values on left hand side and right hand side both are same. So this equation holds. Okay, either we can also prove it another way, like if we just subtract the values sin 52 degree and cos 52 degree from both sides, so we left with 0. Okay, similarly we can do it in another way, like just flip the values, flip this sides right hand side values to left hand side. Okay, so we have sin 52 degree cos 52 degree minus sin 52 degree cos 52 degree, and we already know that if we subtract two equal values, then the result will be 0. So this will equals to what? 0, right? Okay, so that's it. That's what we have to prove it. Okay, so we just prove this question number 2. Okay, so we will discuss the next question in our next lecture. Okay, so if you like the video, then subscribe to my channel, and like if you have any doubts, then ask me in comment section. Okay, and I will solve your doubts in our next session. That's it.